Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Sashwati and today we will discuss how to practice or cultivate the art of small talk if we are not really a conversation enthusiast, or in simpler terms, if you are an introvert and you don't like talking much to others in a social setting or in a professional setting. The first and foremost thing that you have to keep in mind is you have to have some topics on your mind that you can put to use at the place. Okay, let me break it down. If you are not very good at making spontaneous conversations, you have to cultivate the art of being spontaneous. And how can we do that? We can do that if we have already something on our mind, or what are the topics that we can talk about in the setting that we are going to. So let's say if it is a social gathering, you have to have some basic social related questions. Similarly, if it is a professional setting, then you can have some topics related to work, related to your purpose of being there. There will be some topics which can be used in both the places. So if you are an introvert, it greatly helps to have already some predefined topics on your mind so that you don't have to go through that last minute rush of what should I talk about, or better still, let me keep mum. So instead of doing that, if you already have done some preparation, then you can confidently go and tackle. The second one is you have to be a good listener. It is beneficial in effective communication as well, and more so if you are an introvert. How, you may ask? If you listen more, then you don't have to do much of the talking and half of your worries are resolved then and there. The rest of the half can be filled with asking some chit chat questions, or some information about yourself can be given, or you can participate in the talk. But you will be very safe, or you don't have to talk much if the other person is an extrovert or likes to talk much, because generally people do tend to like to talk about themselves. So if you ask them genuine questions or show genuine interest, then people will be loving to talk to you and they will have a very good impression about you as well. So there goes the thing that you have to be a very good listener. That is one of the main keys to have a great and effective communication. The third thing is you can ask some questions. It is common to all the points that will be covered here, but you have to ask genuine questions. Like, you can go ahead and ask questions, but don't try to pry more into someone's life, or if they are not very interested in answering these questions, obviously you will get to know by their body language, or by their reception capability, or how they are responding to you. So if you feel someone is not interested, it is good to leave it there and take up some other topics for conversation. The next one is a very great tip that you can try. You can try to give compliments to people. Like, if you know them, then it's a very good thing to do. But if you don't know, approach with caution. Like, first judge how the person is, if you can a bit, or else it is more effective if you already know the person. So you can go ahead and give genuine compliments to people, which will make them happy and they will like to talk to you more. So, but make sure the comments are or the compliments are genuine. Like, let's say I meet one of my female co-workers and I want to do some small talk, and I really appreciate how she does her hair. So I can tell, wow, you have such great hair. What products do you use? So try to give some genuine and honest compliments, but refrain from just giving compliments if you know it doesn't suit the person, or it's not entirely true. The last and the most important thing is to practice. Whether it be maths or communication, all you have to do is practice, because with practice you will get more good, or you will get better at making small talk to people anywhere. So you have to practice small talk to numerous peoples. Try to practice with one or two people, approach them. Don't take it too seriously. Try to have small talk, begin slow and genuinely build up, or gradually you can build up. With time, you will get better at it and you don't have to think of topics beforehand once you get a pro at it. And believe me, small talk is very, very important in cultivating friendships, in being good at communications in general. It is very important in social or your professional circles. It is a life-saving hack which you have to learn if you have to be good at communication. So yeah, with this we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more. Also, before you go, please make sure to subscribe and comment down below which was your favorite tip of the day, and if you have any more tips which you would like to share with our audience, please comment them as well. Thank you, take care, and bye bye.